Nowadays, industrial development in the world is closely related with the availability of energy sources, which are economical, safe and reliable, whereas one of them is natural gas. To deliver natural gas from its source to the receivable points, either for major customers or end users, a reliable pipeline network system is required. PT Transportasi Gas Indonesia, or better known as Transgasindo or TGI, is the first gas company in Indonesia which is transporting gas through prudent, safe and reliable pipeline network systems. TGI was established on February 1, 2002 as a subsidiary company of PT Gas Negara or PGN, resulting from the development of Central Sumatra Transmission Unit. Starting in 1995, PGN built the first gas pipeline network system from Gresik to Duri and finished in 1998. The purpose of the pipeline construction is to deliver the gas owned by ConocoPhillips. Then, to operate the network system, PGN formed Central Sumatra Transmission Unit, or UTST, which was located in Central Sumatra. On February 26, 2002, UTST was developed to become a company, namely PT Transportasi Gas Indonesia, which acquired a business license from the Minister of Natural Resources and Mineral to transport natural gas. TGI received the asset from the Gresik-Duri gas pipeline network, which was given by PGN to be owned, managed and operated. Afterwards, on August 20, 2002, as part of PGN's plans, it invited a strategic partner to develop TGI to become a foreign capital company with endorsement from the Capital Investment Coordinating Board, or BKPM. On September 12, 2002, PGN, together with Yayasan Kesejahteraan Pegawai PGN, or Yakaga, executed a divestment of 40% of their shares to preferred strategic partners through a share sale agreement and purchase agreements. The partner, namely TransAsia Pipeline Company Private Limited, a consortium with members comprised of Petronas International Corporation Limited, ConocoPhillips Indonesia Holding Limited, SPC Indonesia Pipeline Company Limited, and Talisman. Because of an increasing demand for gas, in 2002 PGN built another gas pipeline from Gresik to Singapore. The gas pipeline, built onshore, passing through the cities of Jambi, Sakarnak and Kuala Tungkal, then continuing offshore towards Batam Island and then on to Singapore. The development of this gas pipeline was finished in 2003. The inaugural ceremony of this project was an historical moment, because it not only has become international commerce, but also considering that the President of the Republic of Indonesia at that time, Mrs. Megawati Soekarno Putri, together with the Singapore Prime Minister, Mr. Goh Chok Tong, officially commenced it. The Gresik-Singapore pipeline network was legitimately transferred by PGN to TGI to fully manage and operate it in 2004. The current work result has proven the improvement of good performance by hard work and integrity from the Board of Management level to site personnel, shaping TGI into a prudent company in the business of gas transportation through pipeline. Not only PGN and ConocoPhillips, who are customers and shareholders of TGI, a number of other companies have entrusted gas supply from TGI, namely PLN Batam, Medco Ukui, Medco Batam, Joint Operation Body Pertamina Lyric, Riau Andalan Pulp Paper, Indah Kiat Pulp Paper, as well as Singapore Power. The main principle of TGI is Energy Connect Synergy, which means to join, to bring two or more energies, which in return creates the most rewarding and beneficial synergy and relationships. With a vision to become the gas transporter of choice, serving customers in the domestic markets of Sumatra and Batam and the export markets of Singapore and Malaysia. And a mission to increase the utilization of natural gas in Indonesia, to ensure the safe and reliable delivery of natural gas to customers for the benefit of our shareholders, employees, and the communities in which we operate. To adopt transparent and ethical business practices in all areas of our activity. TGI realizes that applying good corporate governance, or GCG, constitutes a concrete step which must be performed as the effort to achieve the vision, mission and purpose of the company. Realizing that TGI commits to keep trying to carry out every policy and action based on high moral values, compliance with laws and regulations.
With PGN as a majority shareholder and TransAsia as consortium strategic partner, which consists of ConocoPhillips, Petronas, Singapore Petroleum, and Talisman, TGI is well prepared to serve customer needs and facing the challenge to increase our customer satisfaction. Through TGI policy, we will resolve this challenge and develop strategic steps to become a reputable company in the industry in the region.
We always maintain a continuous operation and maintenance activities in order to reinforce TGI's achievement as a reliable and prudent operator.
With reliable capability of TGI gas transportation network system plays an important role in achieving our goals.
With a desire to respond to the customer's operational in timely manner, TGI has 4 regional offices in Jambi, Belillas, Pekanbaru and Batam to increase the abilities of pipe network systems and pipe capacities. Since 2003, TGI has built new facilities, for example, Sakarnan and Belillas gas booster stations. The development of these facilities gives improvement in gas supply up to 93% from capacities in 2006. Not only prioritizing the development of technology, TGI commits to give the first priority to employee prosperity, security and job safety, and also to the environment. High standards of security and safety are the cultures that are constantly being socialized by the company to the employees. As preventive action to overcome any gas leakage, TGI always carries out gas pipeline maintenance by inspecting the pipeline systems, compressor, etc. periodically, and one of them is through a process called pigging. Due to high discipline and responsibility performed by TGI personnel, from 2002 to 2006, there has been no report of environmental incident, resulting in 0 accidents. In relation to the environment, Transgas Indo is executing a community development program with the aim to develop interrelationship between the company and the surrounding communities, to try to increase their welfare, living standard and education, and promote the sense of belonging and the importance of the TGI pipeline network system. As a positive outcome of trust given by permanent customers, TGI will increase the pipeline capacities in order to convey maximum results to the stakeholders, at the same time preparing to accommodate the needs for gas in the coming years. The preparation itself covers the development of human resources, technology expansion, and supply of adequate supporting facilities for improvement of performance. In addition, TGI also executes various approaches with regulators, whether within the open access framework of pipeline, tariff issue, technical issue, etc.
TGI's financial dynamic is always in well-maintained condition. Therefore, it has maximum part in supporting company operation and business development.
TGI's current business strategy is well managed and developed. It allows TGI to optimize its existing gas transportation pipelines while seeking opportunities to increase transportation volumes.
TGI proudly reports that the achievements have been 99.67% of gas delivered and 99.93% supply capacity for the year. TGI has added new strength for Gresik-Singapore pipeline by building a compressor station in Jabung, with the purpose to increase gas delivery volume from 465 million standard cubic feet per day to more than 600 million standard cubic feet per day in year ending 2008. Development with intermediate and long-term orientation is becoming the foundation of the gas business carried out by TGI towards the new millennium. We are TGI. We operate and maintain 1,006 kilometers of gas pipeline, onshore and offshore. Currently, we are the biggest gas transporter through pipeline network system in Indonesia. Transgasindo. Energy. Connect. Synergy.